Ever pondered the grounds for divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act? It's a topic that might not be on your everyday radar, but it's crucial to understand, especially if law piques your interest. Firstly, we delve into the aspect of adultery. The act clearly states that if a spouse has had voluntary sexual intercourse with a person who is not their husband or wife after the solemnization of the marriage, it serves as a ground for divorce. Next, we move on to cruelty. This can be mental or physical cruelty inflicted by one spouse on the other. This ground is vast and includes a wide range of actions that can be deemed cruel. Desertion is another ground for divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act. If one spouse abandons the other without reasonable cause for a continuous period of 2 years, it can be a basis for divorce. Conversion to another religion by one spouse without the other's consent also forms a valid ground for divorce. If a spouse ceases to be a Hindu and converts to another religion, the other spouse may seek a divorce. Incurable forms of leprosy, venereal disease in a communicable form, or insanity are also grounds for divorce if a spouse suffers from any of these conditions. Lastly, presumption of death is a ground for divorce. If a spouse has not been heard of as being alive for a period of 7 years or more by those who would naturally have heard of that spouse if they were alive, the court may presume that the spouse is dead and a divorce can be sought. To wrap it up, the grounds for divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act are adultery, cruelty, desertion, conversion to another religion, incurable forms of leprosy, venereal disease in a communicable form, insanity, and presumption of death. It's a broad spectrum that covers a range of circumstances, each with its own complexities and nuances. And while it's not a topic that's light or easy, it's an essential part of understanding the Hindu Marriage Act and its implications.